Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rise and Dine. Did you ever want to just get in your car and drive? Just go see all the stuff you always meant to see. Route 66, cities you've never been to, all the national parks, any of that. We did too. So we're packing up our car and we're taking you with us.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Rise and Dine. I'm Bob.
And I'm Stacy.
And
if you're new here, normally what we do is we share with you all the great breakfast and brunch places all over the Vegas Valley, off the Strip. Terrific places to eat that you really have to check out.
But for the next month, we're doing something real different.
So
this is a bucket list thing.
It is. We are traveling by car across the country and back.
In my Subaru.
So it's definitely an ambitious trip, and we're very excited and nervous and excited.
Very nervous. We're getting ready to pack now. And, well, that was the first thing. Is what do you take on a trip that may be 30, 40, 50, 60 days?
Okay, it won't be that long.
Okay, but
we estimate
somewhere between 30 and 50?
Between 30 to 40 days is what this is going to take. So we're going from here to Flagstaff, to Albuquerque, to Carlsbad Caverns, to San Antonio, to Fort Worth, Dallas, to Nashville, to Charlotte, to Richmond,
Virginia,
Staten Island,
New York,
in case you didn't know, Boston,
and then
across,
back across Philadelphia, Chicago, Denver,
down Rocky Mountains, Four Corners, back home. It's a big one.
And we need your assistance along the way.
We do.
We'll be posting on Instagram so you know where we are, in real time. And we'll be throwing out God knows how many videos about the different places and everything we see. Because this is
breakfast.
It. This is
along the way.
Of course, breakfast. Of course.
Famous breakfast with any luck.
Looking forward. They have a thing, these breakfast tacos in San Antonio we've been reading about, and these puffy tacos.
The puffy tacos,
so we're pretty excited about that. But we have a lot of questions. The first thing is,
have you done this?
And was it successful?
Exactly.
The biggest question.
So we need your help because we are going to start, we're packing today.
Yes.
And we think we figured it out. So 30 days out of your house. How do you do that comfortably in and out of a car? And so you need clothes.
And what type of clothes?
What type of clothes do you need?
Do you need sweatshirts? Do you need sweaters? Do you need jackets? I mean, not everything is going to feel like Las Vegas.
Right. And then staying active. You can't just be sitting all day long driving, which is not our plan, but something to do that makes you happy.
So I'm going to take my golf clubs.
Yes, because we will be stopping places with golf courses and seeing family that also golf. So
I'm not taking my new golf clubs. I'm taking my old golf clubs because they'll be in the car and, anything can happen. So why risk that?
Your favorites.
My favorite clubs. So what are you going to take? I know because it's something you want to do on the road.
Because I'm also taking the pickleball paddles. Because some hotels and different places, if he's golfing, there might be pickleball too. So I don't know. Things that we like to do. We may never even get to those. I don't know.
I know.
And then we have to bring snacks and maybe our favorite coffee, because you know how we are.
And we're bringing our pillows because,
you gotta have your right pillow.
And this and that.
I have 2 different seat cushions for the car. So
it's a whole thing.
Here's where you come in.
We should have a truck instead of a Subaru.
I know, right? We should just get an RV. But anyway, here's where you come in. If anybody has done this kind of trip and been out on a road trip this long, please let us know.
Give us the highs, the lows, the pitfalls.
With your packing. What worked? What didn't work? What did you never touch and you wish you hadn't brought? Or, I wish we'd brought this thing. That would have made all the difference. Whatever that is, please let us know. That's help number 1.
Playlist for the road. A really big one. Should we just get Sirius Radio? I don't know.
Should we download stuff?
Should we just download stuff? If we have pretty good cell service, we could use Spotify and, Amazon
But
Music.
there are
and stuff.
plenty of places in the country that does not have good cell service.
Yeah.
So,
And who knows where we're
especially
gonna
going across the desert and the southern end of the country, Texas, the 3
Texas
days
is
it'll
wide
take
open,
to cross
yes.
Texas. So, anyway, so playlist. And then number 3 that we need your help for. Please, if you've made any of this trip or any portion of this trip as we go along or right now of places you think we must see, restaurants that you think are great, don't miss it.
Yes, because
Barbecue in San Antonio and anywhere in Texas.
anywhere in Texas. But first off, we hit Route 66 in Kingman, and that would be really the start of Route 66 all the way until we get to Albuquerque and maybe a little beyond. But there are a lot of stops along the way that everybody knows about. Any particular places that you think you got to go to? You got to have ice cream here or, breakfast there. So just let us know about that.
Our first night will be in Flagstaff. So
Right.
it's Vegas to Flagstaff is our very first leg. So if you know anything about that or have any opinion on that leg, immediately let us know so we can try and get to it. And that would be great.
If you know of any good golf courses along the way, let me know.
Let him know. He'll
I
wanna
want to know. Municipal or fine, it's okay. I don't wanna,
And not some private
We're
course.
on a budget, and we're not going to spend. We're not going to spend a lot of money just for me to whack some balls all over the place.
We are in our car,
Yes.
after all. We're not sleeping in our
We're
car,
not sleeping.
but
We're going to be staying mostly in IHG hotels.
which is
because-
Holiday Inn, essentially.
Yeah, that's one of
And
their
various-
hotels that they own. And, we have points, so we'll be using those for those of you who use points.
So we'll be doing some of
We're
that.
going to maximize that.
And we'll also be posting reviews of those hotels as we go.
Yes.
So we find those useful. We know other people have said they're useful. Even for any old place you go, it's useful.
Yeah.
So we're going to put those out
especially
there.
in towns like San Antonio, which is
A
they
lot
get a
of
lot of
places to stay.
visitors, conventions, and what have you. So we'll talk about San Antonio, Albuquerque, and all the other towns.
So
What else we got?
I think it's time to pack.
I think it's time to pack. Okay. Oh, I threw that in pretty hard.
And in goes the pickleball because, yes, done.
All right, the first of suitcases.
All right, our bathroom in a bag. All of our toiletries. There we go.
You need the snacks.
Fun things to do in the car.
Honey, I think we got just about everything we
Hopefully
have.
so.
Oh,
We have a
man.
day for you to save us.
Yes,
If there's anything that you think we really need to have or not to bother with, please let us know so we can adjust.
exactly. Because, this is an adventure, and sometimes you go into adventures a little blind. You're not 100% sure.
So we'll see about that. I think we're as ready as we can be without some extra help. So please stay with us for this adventure and
Please.
subscribe.
Like,
and
share, leave comments. We're going to need a lot of comments,
Yes.
a lot of help, a lot of suggestions.
And follow us on Instagram if you want to see where we are all the time.
Rise, Dine, LV. One word, like one word. Guess it would be one word.
So we'll be there too. Fingers crossed. So stay with us. Thanks for watching.
And follow us along as we explore the